Now paper number 79, CHSL. Now in this question number 26, it is based on verbal analogies here. Nun and convent. What is the relation between these two? Now this nun works in a convent and similarly the soldier works in barracks. And so choice 3, question number 26. Then 27th one, letter series. Check out the first letters J and L. What is the difference we have? Plus 2. L plus 2 N, N plus 2 P, P plus 2 R. The first letter is N. And the second letter R and P. Minus 2. Next P minus 2 is again N. N minus 2 is L, L minus 2 J. Hence N and N, and it is nothing but choice 3. Then 28th one. Now 254 and 24. Then what is the relation between these two? Now 254. Now in this 254, what is 2 square? 4. Now the second and the third digit. The product of these two is how much? 5 into 4 is 20. And so 4 plus 20, that is 24. And in the same way here, 336, the first digit square. How much is that? 9. And next one, the product of the second and the third digits. 3 into 6 is how much? 18. 18 plus 9, 27, that is choice 2. Then square of the first digit is added to the product of the second and the third digits. Then 29th one, it is based on water image because a mirror is placed at the bottom. And if a mirror is placed either at the bottom or at the top, it comes under water image. Then tell me what is your answer in this case. Now this W and W will be like this. Hence choice 4. 29th one. Then coming to question number 30, number series. Now in this number series 155, 172. What is the difference between these two? And 155, 172, the difference between these two numbers is plus 17. And next one 172, we do not have any information because there is a blank in between. 166 and 143 minus 23. Now here it is how much? Plus 17. Now 17 is repeated, 23 is repeated. Let us take minus 23 here. Now if you take minus 23, 12 minus 3 is 9. What is your answer here? 149. Now if you take 149, then check out whether it is plus 17 or not. 149 plus 17, 166. Hence alternately plus 17, minus 23, plus 17, minus 23, and so on. And finally 149, choice 1, question number 30. The next one, question number 31, letter sequence. How many elements are there all together here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 24. Now this 24 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the first letter is completely different. U undi ikkademo C undi. Isn't it? And 4 into 6 is not working. Okay, 6 into 4 is not working. Then we need to go for 8. Now, ఈ మధ్యలో ఇంకోటి ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, లెటర్స్ పక్క లెటర్స్ ఇస్తారు. యూ, వి, డబ్ల్యూ, ఎక్స్ ఉంటే మనం మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. Letters need not necessarily be the same. Maybe they were increased by plus 1 or minus 1 and so on. But as here, U and C, there is a huge difference, hence we cannot go for 6 into 4. Then 8 into 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Now the first letter, first 4 letters U, U, C, M. U, U, C, M. Now here also U, U, C, M, U, U, C, M. And U, U, C, M, P, M, M. And U, U, C, M, P, M, M, isn't it? And U, U, C, M, P, M, M. And finally the last letter is what? J. And J is the letter. Then, and tell me what are the elements that are missing out here? UC, MJ, PU, MJ, that is choice 3, 31. Then question number 32, it is based on paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this case, now from here to here paper folded, isn't it? And next from here to here it is half. That means from here to here we need to open like this. When we are opening like this, the same figure will be like this. Then again from here to here the paper has to be opened like this. Mirror image to this one. Mirror image. And what is your answer here? Choice 3. Then 33, some colors are walls. Some of the colors or walls can be written like this, color and a wall. And only a few walls are doors. Only some of the walls are doors, but not all. Only some, but not all. That means all walls cannot be a part of door, but whereas all doors can be a part of these walls. And only doors are glasses. Only doors are glasses means what do you mean with this one? Only A's are B's. And all B's are A's, and this B does not belong to anything else. That means this glass, all these glasses are doors. All these glasses belongs to only for doors. Clear? The glasses are name and they belongs to only for doors. And so all these glasses belongs to only doors, and these are the glasses, and those glasses belongs to only doors, and these glasses does not belong to anything else. Glasses does not belong to anything else. Follow here leda. Glasses deniki chendali cheppandi, doors ki maatrame chendali, inka deniki chendakodu. Then coming to the first one, all doors or walls is a possibility. All doors or walls is a possible. Doors and walls అవ్వచ్చు అన్నాడు. అంటే డోర్స్ ఇక్కడికి రావచ్చు కదా, అండ్ వాల్స్ అన్ని డోర్స్లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు. డోర్స్ అన్ని వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఇంకా మనకి ఏమి ఉండాలి? ఓన్లీ ఎ ఫ్యూ వాల్స్ ఆర్ డోర్స్. ఇప్పుడు కూడా దీస్ ఆర్ ద వాల్స్ దట్ ఆర్ డోర్స్, అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద వాల్స్ దట్ ఆర్ నాట్ డోర్స్. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? కనుక మనకి ఏమి ఉండాలి? ఓన్లీ ఎ ఫ్యూ వాల్స్ ఆర్ డోర్స్ అంటే సమ్ వాల్స్ ఆర్ డోర్స్, some walls are not doors కూడా ఉండాలి. Simultaneously we need to have both these two. Hence now it is possible. All walls are colors is a possible. Walls అన్ని కలర్స్ అవ్వచ్చా? అండ్ కలర్ ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, there is no restriction on this one. Hence what is your answer? Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2, that is choice 2, question number 30. Amma? Acha. Only now all walls are colors is a possibility. Now in this one, all doors or walls is a possibility or not. Now if doors comes to this place, then along with these doors next time was in Japan. Now this, now G. G stands for what? Glasses. Now these glasses will also come along with this. Mar glasses రావచ్చు ఇందులోకి? రాకూడదు కదా. glasses దేనికి చెందాలి? Only for doors. Hence it cannot come into this one. Hence it is not possible. Clear? As of now, ఇక్కడ మనం క్రాస్ పెట్టాం కదా గ్లాసెస్. గ్లాసెస్ దేంట్లోకి చెందకూడదు, దేనికి చెందకూడదు, డోర్స్కి మాత్రమే చెందాలి. ఇక్కడికి మనకి డోర్స్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, డోర్స్తో పాటు ఏం రావాలి? గ్లాసెస్ రావాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ దీస్ గ్లాసెస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు వాల్స్ యాజ్ వెల్, అండ్ దీస్ గ్లాసెస్ షుడ్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్ టు ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్, ఓన్లీ ఫర్, అండ్ దే మస్ట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఓన్లీ ఫర్ డోర్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? Only 2. And only 2, and it is given in choice 3, question number 33. Then 34th one, question number 34. Now in this 34, and we need to find out the code for the word count. Count code Japan, and count, where is count here? Count is somewhere here. All your deeds అయిపోయింది అవునా కదా, deeds completed. And what is the code that is common here? TNSR. SR is common, అంతే కదా. And next one, all your, all is also completed. Finally you are left with 2, your and count. ఈ రెండు మిగిలిపోయినాయి. ఎవర్ అండ్ కౌంట్ రెండు మిగిలిపోతున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్కి కోడ్ అని చెప్పండి. ఆల్ ఎఫ్జెడ్ సిజెడ్, టీడీ ఎఫ్జెడ్ సిజెడ్, ఆల్ పీడీ కామన్. పీడీ కామన్ కాబట్టి మనకి మిగిలిపోయింది ఏంటి? టీఎన్ అండ్ విఎం. నౌ ద కోడ్ కుడ్ బి either టీఎన్ ఆర్ విఎం, చాయిస్ 3. 34. Then next one, 35th one. Then it is based on a series. Now sir, first element is going to which place? Second place, and it is reversed. అంతే కదా. And here now the first element going to the second place, and it is, and first element ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Second place. ఇందులో first element is going to the fourth place. And what is the order we have then? Then first, and this arrow, where is this arrow? Arrow is at the second place, and arrow is coming to the first place. And again arrow second place, arrow first place, arrow second place. సరిపోతుందా లేదా? Hence arrow shifting from the first and the second places, first and the second places. Then here again, and ఇక్కడ మనకి మన arrow ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? arrow must be at the first place, and it must be towards top. And arrow 1, 2, and it is again coming to the first place, and again going to the second place, and again coming to the first place. And again it must be at the first place or the second place? Second place. Now arrow at the second place given in choice 1 and 4. Now between these two, Then what is the other element we have? My fourth element చూసుకోండి. Now it is moving from the fourth position to the third position, next second position, next first position, again fourth position. Next it must be at the third position. Third position in both the cases it is the one and the same. Then last element చూసుకోండి. Last element కి ఏం రావాలి? Now ఇక్కడికి last element ఏమొస్తుంది? Third element is coming to the fourth place. Then again ఇక్కడ మనకి first element is going to the last place. And next one, and ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి third figure to the fourth figure. Which element is coming to the third? Third element is going to the fourth place. And again here first element is going to the fourth place. Again third element must go to the fourth place. And third element is going to the fourth place. Among this one, choice one is the answer. Sarvinda? And question number 36. Now in this question number 36, in a certain code language, before is coded as 8.5 and word is called as 15. Now 15. What are the values of this 15 here? 15, 23 plus 15, and the 38. And 38 plus 18, 56. And 56 plus 4, 16. Now 16 into 15 allows divided by 4. Why it is divided by 4? Total number of letters in the given word is 4. And sum of the place values is divided by the number of letters. As of now, it is 15. Now this logic holds good for this one. Same logic దీనికి కూడా మనకు సరిపోతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Now 2 and 2 plus 5, how much? 7. 7 plus 6, 13. And 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15, 28. 28 plus 18, 46. 46 plus 5, 51. Now 51 divided by how much? 6. 51 divided by 6, 6 8s and 8.5. Sarvinda? And in the same way, agent. What is the value of A? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 14, 27. 27 plus 20, 47. Now 47 must be divided by 5. And 47 divided by 5, 9.4, choice 4. Done with this? Sum of the place values is divided by the number of letters. Then coming to question number 37. Now Riya is younger than Ram. And who is this Riya? Riya is younger than Ram. Ram is here. Now Riya is younger than Ram. And Krishna is younger than Ram. Now Krishna is younger than Ram. Riya is younger than Ram. And similarly Krishna is also younger than Ram. But elder than Riya. Now Krishna is elder than Riya. Krishna is elder than Riya. And next one, Krishna is elder than Riya. Sanjay is elder than Sheetal and Ram. Now Sanjay is elder than both these two persons. Who are those two? And Sheetal and Ram. Now Sheetal and Ram, Sanjay is elder than these two, Sheetal and Ram. Ram is younger than Sheetal. Now this Ram is younger than Sheetal and Sheetal is here and Sanjay must be the first one. Sarvinda? And who among the following is the third youngest? Ram, that is choice 2. Third youngest from the bottom. Then 38th one. Then we need to find out the figure and series. Now in this series, now first element, if you check out here, now in all the cases, this element is same. The only thing is the arrow is changing. Left hand side undi, right hand side. Here left hand side, right hand side. Next it must be left hand side. Now among the given choices, left hand side, now choice 3. As of now, choice 3. 4 kuda andalone undo. Now in 4 it is different. Then what is your answer here? Only choice 3 is the answer. Done? Then coming to question number 39. Now in this 39, it is based on mathematical operation. Now L stands for what? L stands for addition. Now 138 plus 63 and M stands for division divided by 7 and K stands for what? And K stands for subtraction and J stands for multiplication. Now in this case 138 plus 63 divided by 7 is how much? 9. 138 plus 9 minus 13 into 4 is how much? 52. Then 138 plus 9 is how much? 142. 147. And 147 minus 52. And to 95. Choice 2. 39. Then coming to this 40. Now which two signs and numbers to be interchanged? Now division and minus. Now division and minus rendu manaki interchange avutunda. Now this will be division and this is minus. Division and minus. Then and 13 and 2. 13 and 2. Now this is 13 and this is 2. Then in this case, now 13 into 5, 65. 65 minus 2 is how much? 63. అంతే కదా? Now ఇక్కడ మనకి 172 divided by 4 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 172 divided by 4 and 4, 48. 48? 3, 43. Now 43 plus how much? 20. And 43 plus 20, 63. And so what is your answer? Choice 1, question number 40. Okay? Now 2 symbols as well as 2 numbers were also interchanged. Then coming to 41. Now in this 41, Jan 6th, 2009, Tuesday, and Jan 6th, 2010. The very next year. Next year means in 2009. How many odd days? 1 odd day. Because 2009 is a non-leap year. 1 odd day. Tuesday next year to a Tuesday. Next day to Tuesday is Wednesday. Choice 1, 41. And 42, 8 colleagues were there. And A, B, C, D, F, and G are seated in a circle facing the center. 8 persons seated around a circular table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, and D is an immediate neighbor of both B and G. D is an immediate neighbor of B as well as G. Isn't it? Then that is the first case. And in the second case, D is an immediate neighbor of both B and G. Now D is here, G and B. D is an immediate neighbor of both B and G. F is an immediate neighbor of A and H. Now F is an immediate neighbor of A as well as H. E is seated second to the right of A. Now E is seated second to the right of A. Then E is seated second to the right of A. Let us check out the possibilities, E and H. Now if E and H were like this, F is an immediate neighbor of A and H. F is an immediate neighbor of A and H. F is here, A will be here. So this is one such a possibility. Then E is seated second to the right of A. Sorry. E is seated second to the right of E. Is it possible here? Not possible. Hence not possible. Hence F is an immediate neighbor of both. Now E is seated second to the right of A. As E is seated second to the right of A will be here. Now if A is here, F is an immediate neighbor of both A and H. F is adjacent to both A and H. F is here, H is here. Then the person who is left over is C will be left over. Then which of the following is true about C's position? Second to the right of B. Second to the right of B osunda? No. Second to the left of B. Exactly between A and E? Yes. That is choice 2 is the answer. Okay? Now first possibility ఏది తీసుకున్నాం, luckily in the first possibility it is valid. Or else అక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఇలా మార్చుకోవడం అయ్యింది. Then coming to question number 43. Now in this 43, Amit travels 15 kilometers towards which direction? A is the starting point from here. Now this person walks 15 kilometers towards east. Then turn left and travels for how many kilometers? Or 5 kilometers. Then turns left and travels for again 15 more kilometers, 15 kilometers. Then A is the starting. How far is Amit from the starting point? A is the starting point, B is the point. Now the distance between these two is how much? 5. And 5 kilometers, that is choice for question number 43. Then 44, A plus B means A is the sister, A minus B means A is the son, and so on. Then S into M. S into M means S is the father of M. Now this S is the father of whom? S is the father of M. And next one, M divided by. M divided by U means M is the brother of U. Now this M is the brother of U. And next one, U plus L. U plus L, my U plus stands for U is the sister of L. Now this U is the sister of L. L into Z. L into Z means L is the father of Z. Now this L is the father of Z and Z minus I. Minus stands for what? No, son. And Z is the son of I. Now Z and Z is the son of I, L and I will be like this. Now according to this one, how is L related to I? L is the husband. Husband, that is choice 1, question number 44. The next one, 45, we need to find out the figure that is embedded into this. Now figure embedded. Chapun, what is your answer in this case? No choice. Choice 4. 4 then start chedama. Now here this is the main line. And next, down, next, the same length, and this one, and this is the choice 4, question number 45. Then 46, F, U and O, and the value is how much? 11, 111. Then tell me how will you get 111? Now what is the value of F? 6. And U is how much? 21. And O is how much? 15. 6, 21 and 15. Then how will you get 111 with the help of this? 6 into 15, 90. Product of these two is how much? 90. Plus and 21. Plus 21, 90 plus 21, 111. Done? And in the same way, B and R. B and R చెప్పండి 2 and 18, 36. 36 plus 11, it is not working. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? H and T. And 20 and 8, 160. 160 plus 13 రావట్లేదు. I and V, 9 and 22. 22 into 9. వస్తుందా? No. And J and Q, and 170. 170 plus 25, 195 joins. Then 46, product of the first and the last letters is added to the middle letter. Values. Then 47, A is 10 kilometers to the east of P. P is here and A is here. Now it is 10 kilometers to the east of P. P which is 10 kilometers to the north of E. Now this P which is 10 kilometers to the north of E, P is here. And E which is 10 kilometers to the east of T. E which is 10 kilometers to the east of T, T is. And T which is 10 kilometers to the north of L. Now north of L, now this is T which is 10 kilometers. L which is 10 kilometers to the north of B. L is 10 kilometers to the north of B. And B which is 20 kilometers to the west of I. 20 kilometers to the west of I is. Now total is how much? 20 kilometers. Then where is I with respect to A? Now we need to find out I with respect to A. I is towards south. What is the distance we had? 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 30 kilometers towards south. Choice 3, question number 47. Then 48. Now in this 48, my chesara 48th one. Now 18. My 18 into 2 is 36 kada manaki. And next one, 18 into 2, 36 వస్తుంది. 27 into 3, 81 వస్తుంది. అవునా కదా? Into 2 into 3. Then 18 నుంచి మరి 2 ఎలా వస్తుంది? 9 నుంచి 9 minus 1 divided by 4. 9 minus 1 ఎంత? 8. 8 divided by 4, 2. And 18 into 2, 36. And in the same 27. 27 కి ఎంత రావాలి? Into 3. 3 ఎలా వస్తుంది? 13 నుంచి. 13 minus 1 divided by 4. 12 by 4, 3. And in the same way, next 34 must be multiplied with how much? 9 minus 1 by 4. 8 by 4 is 2. 34 into 2, 68 choice 1. Saripena? 38 it is choice, 68 choice 1. Then coming to 49. Now in this 49 we need to arrange all these in a dictionary order. Now in the dictionary order, tell me which comes first here. A, R, O, M, A. Up to here A, R, O, M, A, all these are same. And next one A, R, O, M, A. Then tell me what should be the next one here? A, R, O, 3. Now here A, R, O, A, R, R, A, R, O, M, A, T, hence M, A, P comes first. Only fine. And after this 5, then what is the next one? Then 3. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Next we have 4, and next one 4 is also come. And between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, the first and all Japan 2 comes first followed by 1. Isn't it? Hence, what is the order here? Choice 4, question number 49. And finally, 50, ability. Now, in this ability, how are the words, how are the letters shifted here? A, B, I, L, I, T, Y, ability. And it is coded as I, B, A, L, Y, T, I, L, Y, T, I. Then tell me what is the order. Amma, A order la manaki arrange in Japan. Now, L is same. Now, the middle letter is same. Now the first 3 letters ABI, when reversed is ABI. And similarly ITY, when reversed is ITY. And in the same way account. The code given to the word account ACCOUNT. Now the middle letter remained as it is. And the first 3 when reversed is CCA. The last 3 when reversed is TNU. And the answer is CCA, CCA, OT, and U. That is choice 3, question number 50. Clear? Now this is about paper number 79. And next is English.